Rightio, welcome back to DIY once again. On to the next project. So this one, well, I've already removed all the trees. Like, I'm a step ahead. I didn't even film it. But what we have here is this. I want to make an access path for the trailer because that was tight getting down here. We could get it down, but I'd like to get the vehicle further back. Existing, this was all overgrown. I've now removed that. I'll put a clip in, me doing that. And there is this rock garden bed. There is a concrete wall that is connected to the retaining wall, so on the boundary, so that will be staying to this point. But I'm planning to remove this rock edging, remove all this garden, and it ties back to the concrete wall back here, which that should give me enough room to get a vehicle and a trailer down here nicely. But for what I'm going to do up on this concrete wall, I don't know yet. I think I may put some sort of planter box with some soil and some nice plants to replace what we have removed. But haven't really put much planning into this one, but that's okay. We can do it on the fly. Because at the minute, it is just removal and removing all the existing trees. So follow along and let's see what we can come up with. Look, to be honest, this sucks. It's 36 degrees Celsius, which is like 96 Fahrenheit. I've had to drag the fan out to try and get these rocks out. But the idea will work, but the execution I'm struggling with, because definitely even this rock here, like, you nearly need, what's his name? Thor, the big Icelandic fella. If he's not Icelandic, I apologise, but that big power lifter. Hey, I've got a job for you if you want to come down, move these rocks for me. Anyway, I'm just going to keep chipping away at it, and half tempted to possibly get some sort of heavy machinery in, but we'll give it another 20 minutes and see how we go. Okay, I'm going to wrap this one up. Here's a list of things I need to get done for this area, because the next video I'm going to run you through how we're going to build our planter boxes and what we're going to do, what soil we're going to use and materials. And without even knowing, this is actually stepped. That's pretty cool. So we'll have 2 levels of planter boxes with some, like, ooh, that was the ankle. Might go some natives. Might, I don't know. But we'll come back to that one. But the list, get the rocks out. Try and dig the tree roots out that I've cut off. There's a couple along here. 3, remove all the soil. 4, I gotta go dispose of the trailer, and I'm probably going to do that today. So anyway, thank you for watching. Part 2 coming soon. And as always, what's your next project? And if you've stuck around this long, I just want to say thank you. Thanks for hanging in there. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. Let's get this channel growing. If you've got any questions, queries, or ideas that you want to share, I believe in, there's no such thing as a silly question. And you want to ask for some answers, hey, you can only try and help. But anyway, thanks for sticking around. We'll see you on the next one.